Hello friends, today I will tell you about how to change the desktop background in Windows 10 and how we lock desktop and some other settings, personalization setting on Windows 10. Friends, if we set the favorable or attractive background, then then its look and feel is very attractive and looks like very good. I will tell you how to we can change the wallpaper or screensaver and some other settings. To do this, we have to go to on start menu, then system settings. After that, we have to go to personalization. Friends, here are different options where we can make changes to make our desktop attractive, or we can modify some other settings like we can change a picture on background or set colors, and we can also change themes and lock screen, other settings as well. First of all, we will look on the background picture, click on background, under personalization, click on background. Here in background we have see different option. Here one option is picture, then other one is solid color slideshow. In pictures we have to select the picture, and we can set the picture from the already available picture, or we can also browse the picture from the system. We can also browse here. Friends, here we can browse the picture we have already downloaded. You can select any one of pic like this one and choose picture. This will be automatically apply, and we see is it apply or not. Here we see the desktop background picture is applied, and we can also change further on the available pictures on double click on it. Then second option is solid color. We can use solid colors. We have different types of color available. We can choose any one of them. And third one is slideshow. It's taking some time. Friends, this is the slideshow. We can also browse the slide any images like which we want to show as a slide, and then change picture every. We can set the picture frequency change like 1 minute, 10 minute, and some other time available. We can set as according to our requirement. Then we can shuffle, or we can show in a sequence. We can also shuffle the picture. We can toggle button to on off, and then let slide show run even if I am on battery power. Means if we have not connected to our charger, then we can also on this option. And here is choose a fit like fill, fit, and some other option we can see here, and stretch, tile, center, spam. We can use any one of them, and we can change any option at any time. Friends, this is the different option for background settings. Here we see some other setting like colors, and these are the colors available. We can also use the colors. Here are different types. Choose your color like light, dark, and custom. If we select on dark, then our theme will be turns to dark theme. This is the dark theme, and we can also select as custom. When we select on custom, then there are some option appears like default window mode, light or dark, and choose your default app mode. We can set the default mode Windows theme light color or dark color, and same we can choose default app mode in light color or dark color. Transparency effect on and off we can also see set like, and some other option. Choose your is accent color. We can use these options as we required. We are applying light color, and transparency effect you can show if we can use toggle button. Here the other option are theme and some other option like font, start and taskbar. If we click on theme, here we see some different options like background, color, sound, etc. We can, if we click on background, then we go to same menu which we discussed already, same colors and sound, something like this. We can also make the custom theme and save them, and we also use the more theme from Microsoft Store. We can download from these store and we can apply to Windows. Friends, this is the some option which we can use, and here one option is lock screen. We can also use lock screen. This is the Windows background which we already discussed. And here are some settings. Show lock screen background picture on the sign in screen, and means the picture will also show on sign in screen. Screen timeout settings, if we click on it, then there are options like screen and sleep on. Battery power turn off after every 5 minutes. It's default, we can set according to our requirement. And when plugged in, turn off after, these are the 10 minutes by default. And on sleep, if the battery power PC goes to sleep after every 15 minutes, and same like on when plugged in, PC goes to sleep after every 30 minutes. We can change according to our requirement or as we decide. Then screensaver settings, we can also set screensaver settings. Here is not screensaver selected. We can see like we can select as 3D text and different other options. We can use these options like photos, like ribbons, and we can also make a setting. And here we can also wait 1 minute on resume display logo on screen. If we select this, then it will be logged after every minutes, and we can set time low or high according to our desired, and then apply and OK. We can set these options. Friends, this is all about the backgrounds and lock screen settings. I hope you will understand the video. And here friends, you see a dark theme. We can change this theme, like double click on it. Friends, you see we have changed our desktop wallpaper or desktop background as we required. To like more good videos, please like, subscribe my channel, so you will see more good videos about Windows configuration, installation and troubleshooting. Bye.